In today's video, let me show you the way that you can raid another streamer on Twitch. So raid basically means sending your viewers to another streamer's platform or stream. So to do that, you can head over to your channel by clicking on the profile icon, head over to channel, and inside of your channel, click on chat. Make sure that you're inside of your own channel. Now, the way that you raid is you can just add in a slash and then type in raid. Now, if you know the username of the streamer that you're trying to raid, you can just click on the first option, which means you need to type in raid and then type in the channel name right here. Now, if you're trying to raid some random streamer, you can also do that. Repeat the same process, do slash raid and then click on the browser option, click on chat, and here you'll be able to pick from all of the streamers that are available. Click on any streamer, and here you'll have the option called raid on the bottom. You can just click on the start raid option and the raid process will begin. And yeah, that's it. That's how easily you can raid some of the streamers on your Twitch account. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.